Hey friends, if you encounter CLR20r3 error in Windows while trying to access a certain application, then please watch this video. Now, what could be the causes? The first one is that an update could have broken it. The second one could be missing DLL files from the system, which is causing the issue. The third one could be compatibility of the software with the system, and the fourth one could be that a third-party security software could be blocking it. So we will resolve all of them one by one. The first one is to update Windows. Right-click on the Start button. Select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on Check for Updates in the right pane. The next one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next one is to run the program in compatibility mode. And how would you do that? It's very easy. All you need to do is, let's say this is the program. So right click on it, select show more options, click on properties, go to the compatibility tab, click on run the program in compatibility mode. For now, by automatically it will select Windows 8. By default, it will select Windows 8 or whichever is the lower version. Now I'm assuming that you would be using Windows 10 or 11, so the lower one would always be Windows 8. Simply click on apply and then on OK. And lastly, disable any third-party security software. Now I don't use them, but I'll show you how to disable them. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side and select installed apps. Okay. Now if it is set by date installed, simply click on the three dots associated with the security software and uninstall it. Okay. So people ask this question that wouldn't that make my system vulnerable? The answer is no. Windows Security is a good enough security software these days. With all the newer updates, it is very, very helpful. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.